Hello. Sorry it is a late night tonight. It has been a really long day. Started out at a show this morning, then had meetings with kids and cast party, and kids went to the movies and went out to eat and had to drop everybody off. And so here I am finally at home at 11 o'clock. So I was listening this morning on the way to the show to the audiobook by Rachel Hollis. You know, I love Rachel Hollis, of Girls Stop Apologizing. And one of the things she said today that really hit me was that the worst part of your life right now, the things that you're going through that are the worst things, are the things that you have avoided dealing with. And that really struck me, because if I think about the hardest things in my life, she's right. They are the things that I am avoiding dealing with. And she also was talking about how Dave Ramsey says that the successful people that you look up to, they're up on top of the mountain, and you look at them and you think, wow, like they're perfect and they got their house so easily and it was so easy for them to get there. But what you can't see is all of the hardships that they went through to get there. So what's under their feet on the mountain are all of the hard things and all the hardships that they went through. So instead of being buried under all the hardships, they rose to the top. So you have to be able to go through those hard things in order to get to the top. So this is real short, but this is what I want you to think about. I want you to think about, what are the hard things in your life right now that you're avoiding dealing with? And then we're going to go from there and come up with some ways to deal with those hard things. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks.